Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. All right. In this series of Docker, so this video is basically meant for understanding how we can stop or remove containers, right? So all right. So let's go to the server. We have our server ready. So we do not have any containers, right? So Docker ps-a and all right. Let's see now. So Docker stop container ID is the command to stop a container. Let's go there and try it. So let's create a container first. We should have a container to stop it, right? So docker run -d detachment hyphen name. Just give container name as C1 and use an image nginx. All right. So we are creating a container to execute the stop functionality. So this particular command helps us to stop a container, right? So we need to go with docker stop container ID, or you can also give container name. All right, let me show you. Yeah, container got created, so clear it. So docker ps-a. So this is container ID and this is name of the container, so you can use either. So now the status is up 14 seconds, right? So let's stop it. Docker stop C1. So this will be stopped now, and the status should be exited after that, right? When we list the containers. All right. All right, this is stopped now. So ps-ac, now the container is being exited because I have stopped the container. All right, perfect. Now let's see. This is done now. uh, let's perform another action. What is that? This is stopping the container. This is removing, nothing but deleting a container, right? So docker ps-a. So this is stopped. So I can use docker rm, which is remove space container id. You can give container id or container name, either works. So give docker rm space c1. See, it got removed. Now if you give the same command, nothing is available, right? So let us try to delete, a running container. We'll see what it throws, right? For that you need to again create a container. So we do not have any containers. Let's create it. Yeah, I have created. All right. So docker ps-a. So now we have active container. If we try to remove an active container, docker rm7, which is container name, or this time we'll go with container id, right? Either we can use container name or container id. So it will not allow us to remove, delete a running container. Okay, so we can either force remove using -f flag. Okay, this is one way. So we can force remove the container using -f. All right, so this way, or you should stop the container first and then you can remove the container, right? That functionality we have already seen, that exited container got removed. Okay, perfect. See, now it worked. So docker ps-a. See, no containers are available. All right, fine guys. Thank you so much for your time. We'll get back with a latest video. Thank you.